Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a terminal box cover on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. Now before we deal with anything with this terminal box right here, you're going to want to make sure that the power is turned off for this. So if it's connected just straight to the power, you're going to want to go to your fuse box, because right behind this is where you're going to get your power from. Now our dishwasher here isn't connected to anything, but your dishwasher at home should be, and that's going to be these two wires that are going to be hardwired into some sort of electrical source. So again, these two right here are going to go through a plug right there that goes into your electrical into your house. So you're going to want to turn off that fuse box before you deal with anything over here. So right here is our terminal box cover, and in order to get that off, we have to remove the screw right here, and we're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver to do that. There we go. And once we've got the screw out, that'll kind of swing open on its own, but then you can just pull that out. All it's held in by is two metal tabs right there. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement terminal box cover, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And now I'm going to put our terminal box cover back into place. So there's two metal tabs that are going to go into the slots, and that acts like a hinge almost. And then close that up, and we can screw it back on. There we go. And once you've done that, you can turn everything back on, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.